Whether you're a professional video editor or a hobbyist YouTuber, you've probably run into this situation where you need to get files off of a device and onto the place where you're actually doing the video editing. Today, I want to show you how I use new.space to make the videos like the one you're watching right now, and share some tips for how it makes the whole process even better. Let's go. The first thing I do when I start a project is head to new.space, which creates an entirely new blank space. It's great to establish this as a place where I can gather all of the things I'm going to need for the video. For these videos, it's a combination of screen recordings, camera recordings, and still images that will ultimately become the final video. The great thing about new.space is that it can handle all these types of content effortlessly, and I can just drag them into the space. When I make these videos, I always have an extra few takes, just in case. And with them in the space here, I can flag the ones that are actually the good takes versus the ones I don't think I'll actually use. With the script written, the footage recorded, and the still assets created, we're ready to get going. On my larger desktop machine, I'll open up this space and download everything and import it into my editing software. Then I'll get right into editing the video. Quickly pull together a render. When everything's done, I drag it back into the space and share it out to the team, and wait for some feedback, the last step before uploading it to YouTube and sharing it to everyone else. With new.space, I'm able to create a central hub for every single project, and it's become an invaluable part of my workflow, being able to instantly start sharing things between my devices. If new.space has become an invaluable part of your workflow, we'd love to hear about it. There's a pinned thread that I'll link to underneath this video, and we'd love for you to share your thoughts and just feelings about how you've been using new.space. Till next time, happy sharing.